mga kahehe. Dito tayo ngayon sa Crazy Pie.
So you and your friends standing across from me. Capture of your glimpse, actions nervously. Listen blue, all around you hear I sing. Your humble beauty and your feminine drive I'm on crazy. Even when I see you from afar, still look pretty. This is the natural attraction from a girl to a manly. Not a fruit from the birds and the bees, from Adam and Eve. Mr. Beautiful, mysterious, cousin I and I to go delirious. Unknown, beautiful, mysterious. Look at the young manners, see how they suffer. Mr. Beautiful, mysterious, cousin I and I to go delirious. Unknown, beautiful, mysterious. Look at the young manners, see how they suffer. Burnless looking, never gonna see you as a tool. Treat you with respect, I am not a fool. Every day, go home forgetting your look. Next day, glance upon your face, deja vu. This is not a joke, what I'm telling you is true. Yet I'm not in love, I don't care who. Still your body slender, body so fair. Look how the sunshine reflects of your hair. There is any answer, please tell me where. To my question, never yet shared. Try to keep my strength, but you are my weakness. Yet when I pass upon and about you, I put up no interest. You are my weakness, Mr. Beautiful, mysterious, cousin I and I to go delirious. Unknown, beautiful, mysterious. Look at the young manners, see how they suffer. Mr. Beautiful, mysterious, cousin I and I to go delirious.